So you got a toilet that's always running, and you go to change the flapper, and when you get the tank off, you realize there's no flapper. There's this weird tube looking thing there. Well, it's called a mansfield, and you're in luck. I replaced the flush valve seal. I just call it the little stupid red ring. But the flush valve seal, you can replace that and it'll fix it. I replaced one the other day and I took a video of it so that you guys can see how to do it, and hopefully this video will help you out. Now the first step, of course, you're doing plumbing. The first step is always turn the water off so you don't spray water everywhere. So reach behind your toilet, turn the water off, flush it so that you know that the valve is off. You don't have water coming in anymore. Okay? Then the fill valve supply line that's in the flush valve, just pull it out and the cap just twists off. You just take that off, set it aside. You're going to need it later. Then your toilet handle is sticking through the tube thing. I don't know the actual part that it's called, but the tube thing, handle's in there. You lift it up off of the flush valve and get your handle out kind of at the same time. And once you get those apart, you look down in there, you'll see the red ring down on the bottom. It's actually in a groove around the flush valve. You know, kind of take note of where it is when you take it out, but you just reach down there and you just lift it up and pull it off, okay? Once you get that one off, you simply take your new one, you put it in you put it down there and you put it around the same groove that you removed the old one. You put it in that same groove. Once you've got that in there, you just go back together with it. You put the toilet handle inside of that little tube thing. You slide the tube thing down on top of it. You screw the cap back on, put the black hose back in, turn the water back on, and check for leaks. It's that simple. So if you're a new homeowner and you're looking to get into, taking care of the home maintenance yourself, but you're really not sure how, you can subscribe to this channel, and I give you little tips like that, to help keep your home up and running. And I also share some stories sometimes. So anyways, I hope that helps you fix the toilet, and I guess we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.